Not a fan of playing tricks to get you in the bedroom. What you see is what you pick, so don't get too excited. Cause I may not be the best you ever score, but I'll focus on the present. Cause I don't need a fantasy anymore. Girl, get in position.
Sir, how are you?
I'm doing good, Shruti. Thank you for having me on this platform, and I'm happy to be here.
Yes, sir. So I have read about your working areas, that is Sport and Fitness Institute, that is IIST Pune. So something describe about your institute and yourself.
So, to start with, I have been into the sports field since my childhood. I was into the sport of roller skating, and I went on to play for the country, for India. I participated in world championships, and later on also went to do my certification programs in the sport of ice skating, which is a winter Olympic sport, and have also been a part of the Indian national team for various international events. And I'm actively involved as a ice skating coach with young kids who train to achieve medals for the country. And also, I'm the director at the Institute of Sports Science and Technology, which I launched in the year 2009.
इट्स अ लॉन्ग टाइम। तो सर आपने ये जर्नी जब शुरू करी तब कैसे आपने आइडिया रखा और किसने आपका साथ दिया, कैसे आपने इसको स्टार्ट किया?
So basically, the idea came when I was trying to do my further education in the field of sports. I had applied for a couple of international universities in Europe and Australia, and the reason I wanted to study sports was I had during my career as an athlete, I had seen कि there are many shortcomings in the management of the sport. या फिर जैसे बच्चों को जो ओवरऑल ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है, it was not up to the mark, and I thought I would study sports and try to make a difference to my sport to start with, take this ahead and develop the overall sporting scenario in the country. So I had applied for a couple of universities abroad, and I got through a couple of universities too, but then the cost of the course fees was really high. It was almost 30-40 lakhs in say 2006. So then I decided ki, instead of going abroad, why not start a sports management institute here. And fortunately I was doing my MBA with Dr. PC Shezwalkar. Unka institute hai. He's a very senior educationist. He recently passed off, so he was a very senior person, and I had discussions with him, and he said, why do you want to go abroad? You have all the sporting experience. He himself is from the management background. So he said, why not we start a sports education institute? And that's how we started ISST in 2009.
It was really nice।
और
काफी
एक और
इंटरेस्टिंग।
चीज मैं ऐड करना चाहता हूँ कि माय मदर हैज बीन माय वेरी strong pillar in my life to develop my career in sports, and she herself is a national basketball athlete. So her dream was to do something for sports in India, and she has been doing a lot of work in the field of sports by developing infrastructure, providing sponsorships to needy athletes. And then she dreamt of starting formal education in sports. And then me, Dr. Shezwalkar, and my mother, together we three of us founded the Institute of Sports Science and Technology.
अगर फैमिली का सपोर्ट हो और वो भी मदर का, तो काम बहुत आसान हो जाता है। और योर मदर इज देयर लीडरशिप क्वालिटी, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। तो सर आपके अभी कितने कोर्सेज है कॉलेजेस में, और डिस्टेंस लर्निंग में अभी जैसे कोरोना था तो कैसे लोग एनरोल हो पाए डिस्टेंस लर्निंग में, कैसा ये स्पोर्ट्स का फील्ड चलता है, इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए।
सो इनफैक्ट हमारा डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन जो है वो काफी सालों से हम लोग कर रहे हैं। 2011 में हमने फर्स्ट डिस्टेंस डिप्लोमा इन स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट, ये जो कोर्स है, हमने लॉन्च किया। एंड टुडे आई एम प्राउड टू से वी हैव 17 प्लस डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम्स in football, in cricket, in sports sciences, sports management, sports psychology, medicine, technology, etc., etc. So we have different courses in distance education, and suddenly because of corona, distance education को बहुत importance आ गई है, because you can't sit in this campus. So obviously we got many enrollments during the lockdown period also, and people have enrolled for our programs, and now we are one of the most sought after education institutes in distance education in sports education in India.
So how do coaches and other trained person you choose? How are they eligible, or how a student can apply? What are the minimum eligibility criteria for
So
pursuing any course?
to tell you in a nutshell, we have four types of programs. One is a bachelor's program, a 3 years degree course, which we have in tie-up with the Maharashtra Vidyapeeth, which is a UGC recognized university in Pune. It is one of the most prestigious and oldest universities in Pune. So TMV is our joint venture partner for the sports science and sports management degree programs which we have. Then we have the diploma, 6 months diploma programs, both in classroom and distance education. Eligibility is 10th or 12th pass. Then we have the master's program in sports management or sports sciences, for which the eligibility is graduation. And then we have certificate programs ranging from 1 month to 3 months, depends on which topic they want to enroll for. So these are the different eligibility criteria. Usually for our basic programs, the eligibility criteria is 10th pass.
Anyone can apply beyond 10th or higher studies. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
great. So you have also have facilities of internships and hostel facilities. How do students stay there, or how can they prepare for this?
See, the most important aspect, or you can say the unique selling point of ISST is we have our own sports clubs. We have our gymnasium, we have our own physiotherapy center, we have a nutritional and psychological counseling center. So we have got sports coaching facilities for young kids as young as 3 years of age for sports like cricket, basketball, football, skating, gymnastics, ice skating, etc. So students who enroll for the courses with us, they can do internships with us in various events. They can work at our academies. Plus, we've got many good tie-ups around Pune, in Maharashtra, and also in India. Even our presence has gone internationally with many students, international students, and senior sports professionals enrolling for the programs.
It's nice to see the growth. So, sir, it's been since 2009. So, do you find girls also coming in sports field as actively as boy, or how can you say about something about girls? Is the
I
career in
think
sports right for them?
Yeah, in the last 2 3 years, girls have really grown in to participate in the field of sports, may it be education or may it be on field in various sports like cricket, football, tennis, badminton. We've got many. In fact, if you see, most of our Olympic medalists are girls. Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, we have Malleshwari who won the medal, Sakshi Malik from wrestling, so many, Mary Kom from boxing. So many girls have started. These are our inspirational superstars who from whom many girls have taken inspiration and have started their career in sports.
So, sir, what are your future visions, or do you think that there is something lacking, still lacking, and you want to improve it by yourself? What are your future visions for IIST Pune? Do you want to shift your branches in more cities? How can you grow, and what are your visions for future?
See, we are through distance education. We are not only sticking to the geographical area of India. We have already started doing tie-ups, and we are reaching out to audiences in Asia and Europe and Australia, New Zealand. Even in the US, many students have inquired for the programs. So we are focusing on growing our distance education programs in different countries also. As far as the classroom program goes, we are not expanding the classroom programs much because we believe in giving quality education. So until and unless we have a very good tie-up, a strategic tie-up who is going to maintain the quality of education we want to provide, we will not start any classroom programs in any other cities. So as of now, it is limited to Pune, but we are doing a lot of tie-ups for joint ventures, strategic partnerships, internship opportunities, student exchange programs, faculty exchange programs. So all of that is on the cards. In the next 5 years, we envision ISST to be the best center for sports education and also for fitness education. We've started programs in fitness education also. So for gym trainers, for different kinds of fitness activities like kettlebell is there, Pilates is there. So we are starting certification programs in all those areas also.
It's really nice, and it's a very new field, and I visited and I really like the way. So do you want to pass any message to the audience or the youngsters during this corona type about fitness and sports? Anything you can want to say?
I think I would like to share that sports and fitness is the only industry which is going to come back faster than any other industry after the corona is over. We are on the verge of getting the vaccine now. Government has announced that this month only they are launching the vaccine delivery. So I think it is a very good opportunity for students to get into the fitness and sports industry, because also the importance of health and being fit is is has been highlighted because of corona. And to make your immune system strong, you really need to be fit, and to be fit you need to do some fitness activity or being involved in sports. So I think overall, from a personal perspective, obviously sports and fitness is important, and also from a career perspective, there are many new opportunities coming up in this field. So this is the right time to get into this field.
Yes, yes. Sports have many different opportunities, and many other players and personalities have a great stories to tell. So it's nice field, and it was really very nice talking to you and knowing about ISC Pune. So it was really nice, Vipul sir, and thank you for being
Thank you so
here.
much for having
So
me here. Yes.
how was your experience on Pragati Success Story?
This is a very good initiative, and I congratulate Shruti for taking this initiative, taking our stories to the world. And I think more people know about what we are doing, more they will benefit, more we will benefit. So I think it is a win-win situation for everyone. And Shruti, congratulations on this initiative. You are doing a fantastic job, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, and well, all the very best. Stay safe and
Thank
stay
you.
healthy.
Yes, bye bye.